Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to group objects. So you can go to parametric body and in there I will create new sketch. As example, we create the rectangles for the first body and use pad tools to convert into 3D. And we create new body again, click new sketch. I will choose the top plane, use the circle object to create the cylinder. Now, if you want to group these two objects, you can right click in the model here in name and then choose create group. So to be sure for the new group. Now you can click, hold, and then move the body inside the group. You can click again, hold to move. Now if you want to create again like another object, you can create with the new body. So you can click here, new body, so to be create below the group. So I will hide this object. You only click in this group option. It will be hide, and we create new sketch. Okay, I will draw the triangle. Click close, and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now you can easily again to show the group by clicking this icon. So that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to group objects.